Hi and welcome to Chicane's engine shop. Here we have a DBS engine 4.2 running on Omex fuel injection. This was an absolute stonk on the dyno, producing nearly 340 horsepower and similar torque. So this will be awesome in the car. Down here we have a V8 being uprated to 5.7 from 5.3, also being converted to Vantage spec, so 48 IDF carbs, and depending on what we do, probably Vantage cams or 580X cams. This is a DB5 engine, 4.7, so stroked crank, big pistons, going into a completely beautiful restored DB5, and just loads of torque and loads of power. This DB5 engine here, very close to being finished. This engine will be dyno tested probably in the next sort of month or so, ready to go into the car. Again, you can see how beautiful it looks.